Due to ongoing heavy rainfall in the Eastern Cape, several parts of Gqeberha and Kariega have been severely affected by flooding. Torrential downpours have caused significant waterlogging in many areas of the city, leading to widespread damage for residents. Many have lost their homes and belongings, while others have been evacuated to safety. Power outages have occurred in most areas due to the flooding, with many homes submerged in water. Roads have also been severely impacted, leaving many people stranded and disrupting transport. This marks the second time in 4 months that the Nelson Mandela Bay Metro has experienced flooding, once again highlighting the impacts of climate change and extreme weather conditions. Nelson Mandela Bay Municipality spokesperson, Sithembiso Sajaya, stated that residents of Dr. Brown's area are being relocated to the Demist NG Church. Meanwhile, residents from Lapland are being moved to the Rosedale Indoor Sports Centre. Evacuations are also underway in Mission Vale and Uitenhage. This flooding incident in the Eastern Cape once again underscores the urgent need to address natural disaster preparedness in the region.